Okay, let's try out this flash drive USB for your iPhone. You see what it is right here, and these are the best. I use this brand right here. Let's take it out of the package. The PNY. So this is an iPhone. So you plug it up into your iPhone, and let's go through the process and see how this works. Okay, when I first took it out the package and plugged it in, it took me, say I need to download an app on the App Store. But now when I plug it in, it don't say that. So I'm gonna show you what app you need to download. So you go to your App Store. Let's start typing in PNY. PNY. You see that PNY Duo Link 4? We're gonna click on that. And right here, you see, we're gonna download this one right here. Let me zoom in. We're gonna hit get, so it's downloading. Okay, once you got this app downloaded right here, I got it right here on the shortcut. What you want to do is just go ahead and plug this in. Once you plug it in, and you see it's asking you to allow. So we're gonna go ahead and allow. And you see it's going through the process. And the good thing I like about this, it's got, you see you got 96% storage space. I don't have anything in there. So when I get ready to transfer any of my files from my iPhone, only thing I have to do is hit this transfer media. And I can pick if I want photos or if I want videos or music. Let's just go through each one of them. Photos. And you want to allow, just hit OK. And you see down here at the bottom where you see Duo Link 4. I don't have anything in there as far as photos. But when I hit my iPhone, these are all my photos I have in my iPhone. So if I want to, I'm going to pick a couple of them. I'm going to just hit multitask, multi-select. And I'm going to just select a couple of these photos. And then what I want to do is copy to. So when I hit copy to, and I can hit paste or create a folder, I'm gonna just say paste. So now it done paste those, and you see it got that check mark. The transfer is complete. So that's cool. So I'm gonna just go back. I'm gonna go back again. Let's do a couple of videos. So I'm gonna hit video. Then I'm gonna hit OK. So I'm gonna pick a couple of these videos. I'm gonna hit multi-select, and I'm gonna hit let's just grab a couple of these videos, these two videos right here, and I'm gonna hit copy to, and it's gonna, and I can create a folder, but I'm gonna just hit paste. So you see it's going through the process of copying those. Then it says transfer complete, and I'm gonna hit back again. I'm gonna hit back one more time. So I'm gonna hit transfer media again. Let's go music. If you got music on there, you hit OK. See, I got music on my phone. So I can transfer that music over onto this flash drive. So I'm gonna hit back and back, hit media, I'm gonna hit documents. If I have any documents, as you can see, I don't have any documents on my phone. I don't have any in my Duo Link. So I'm gonna go back. So now these files, I'm gonna go back, file management. You see on my iPhone, on the Duo, you see those files right there? Those are ones I transferred over. So I can unplug this and take it to my computer, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files will be on my computer. So let's go ahead and unplug this. We're gonna unplug it. Now we're gonna go to my computer. So now I'm gonna plug this USB up into my computer. And we're gonna go to this Duo Link. You see these photos? There they go. You got it. I'm gonna sort right here. You got these movies and you got your pictures. So I can just double click these, or I can drag them and drop them and save them onto my desktop. I'm gonna show you the correct way to change your battery. Eventually, you're gonna have to do this once in your life. Let's look at this video.
So you're gonna take 40% of my paycheck
There you go.
in taxes? Most definitely. And then after you tax my check.
So let's look at a couple of photos. So you got the photos on there. So there you go. This thing works awesome. You know, so if you want to transfer information from your phone and put it on this flash drive USB, it's that simple to do. All right, thanks for watching and have a great day.